how to update your TikTok app on iPhone. So if you're looking to update your TikTok app, what you want to do is check if you have any updates. So what we can do is go ahead and go find your app store wherever it may be on your phone. So what we're going to do here is go to the magnifying glass at the bottom right hand corner and go ahead and type in TikTok. TikTok, here we go. And go ahead and click on TikTok. So here it says open, but what we can do is we can force update this. So from this point, come out of here and close this out. You want to go to your settings and you want to go to general, and then you want to go to iPhone storage. So from here, go and find your TikTok under your apps here. And what you're going to do here is offload the app. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to basically delete any cache or temporary files on the app itself. And what we can do is hit offload app. It will offload it. It will not log you out of the app. Once you offload the app, you can reinstall the app and it's not going to log you out. It's not going to delete anything, but it will reinstall the app and it will force itself to have the newest version of TikTok with any new features that it may or may not have. So that's really it. It's really simple. If you don't see it in your app store, you can always come here and force update the app itself. And that's it.